Now let us see what is the range of signed integer. Let me explain with a 3-bit binary number. We require exactly 3 bits in a 3-bit binary number. So using these 3 bits, now let us see what is the minimum number that I can write. I can write 0, 0, 0. What is the next number I can write? 0, 0, 1. Next 0, 1, 0. Next 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0. And finally I can write 1, 1, 1. So what is the minimum number here? 0, 0, 0. Maximum number 1, 1, 1. But when I say signed integer, how to represent sign in a binary number system? For that, what we do here is, this is MSB bit. This MSB bit is treated as a sign bit. So MSB bit is treated as a sign bit. Now let us see what is the equivalent decimal number system for these 3-bit binary numbers. Now if I take 0, 0, 0, 0, MSB bit is 0. Whenever MSB bit is 0, I can say they are all positive numbers. So I prefix plus for each and every number. Now the question is what I should write here, what I should write here, and so on. For that, look at only this portion. Okay, this portion represent MSB bit. MSB bit is 0. Whenever MSB bit is 0, what is the meaning? We write positive numbers. Now let us see what each of these values represent. 0, 0 in binary represent 0. What is 0, 1? It is 1. What is 1, 0? We know that it is 2. What is 1, 1? We know that it is 3. So we write plus 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Now if you look at these numbers, we have MSB bit as 1. Whenever MSB bit is 1, it means all these numbers are negative numbers. So I write minus everywhere. Now the question is how you write the equivalent decimal number here. For this, one thing we should remember, all negative numbers, these are all negative numbers. All these negative numbers are already stored in 2's complement. I repeat, all negative numbers are represented using 2's complement. So to get the original number, what should I do? Take this number, take 2's complement of this. What is 2's complement of a number? It is 1's complement plus 1. Take 1's complement. Now, what is 1's complement of this number? Make this 1 as 0 and 0 as 1. So I repeat, first take 1's complement. What is 1's complement? Wherever 1 is there, you replace with 0. Wherever 0 is there, you replace with 1. So I write 1's complement of 1, 0, 0 as 0, 1, 1. If this is 1's complement, to get 2's complement, we should add 1. Let us add 1. So 0, 1, 1 plus 1 is how much? 1, 0, 0. So this is original number. Now tell me, what is this number here? 4. So I write 4 here. Now tell me how you get the original number. To get this number, take 2's complement. What is 2's complement? First take 1's complement. What is 1's complement of this? 0, 1, 0. That I write here 0, 1, 0. For that 1's complement, we add 1 to get 2's complement. So what is the answer we get? 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 0 plus 1 will be 0, 1, 1. Tell me what is the meaning of 0, 1, 1? We know that it is 3, so I write 3. Now tell me what should I do for this? Here what I write? 0, 0, 1. For that one's complement, I should add 1. Tell me what is the output I will get? 0, 0, 1 plus 1 will be 0, 1, 0. What is 0, 1, 0? 2. So I write 2 here. Finally, you yourself tell me what should I do with this. Take one's complement first. What is one's complement of this? 0, 0, 0. For that you add 1 to get 2's complement. What is 0, 0, 0 plus 1? It is 0, 0, 1. What is 0, 0, 1? 1. So, now observe these numbers. Tell me what is the least number and what is the maximum number. This is the minimum number. Minus 4 is minimum. So I write minimum here. If I add 1 to minus 4, it will be minus 3. Minus 3 plus 1, it is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1, it is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, it becomes plus 0. Plus 0 plus 1, it will be plus 1. Plus 1 plus 1, it becomes plus 2. Plus 2 plus 1, it becomes plus 3. So this is the maximum positive number. So this is the minimum number and this is the maximum number. Now we know what is the range. We start from here, we go like this. Now tell me, it range from minus 4, it goes up to plus 3. Now tell me what is the range for 3-bit number. Range for 3-bit number will be minus 4 to what? Plus 3. This is minus 4, this is plus 3. Now let us express these numbers in terms of 2. Why in terms of 2? Because when I say binary number system, it is a base 2. So let me express these numbers in 2, in the form of 2. How you can write minus 4? I can write it as minus 2 square. 2. How you can write this 3? I can write it as plus 2 square. But what is plus 2 square? Plus 4. But what I want here? Plus 3. So what should I do? You take minus 1. Now 2 square is 4. 4 minus 1 is how much? 3. So we get this number only. But what I do now is, this 2 here, it represents binary number system. What is binary number system? 2, base 2. Here also base 2. But take this power. Power normally we write in terms of 3-bit binary number. When using 3 bits, using this 3, how you write this 2 in terms of 3? In terms of 3, this 2 can be written as what? 3 minus 1. So I write 3 minus 1 here. What this 3 minus 1 means? It is 2 only. So we get this only using this number 2 plus, instead of writing this 2, what I can write? 3 minus 1. So we write plus 2 to the power 3 minus 1 is same as 2 square. But I want minus 1. So here I write minus 1. So range for 3-bit number will be minus 2 to the power 3 minus 1 to plus 2 to the power 3 minus 1 minus 1. On similar lines, we should be in a position to tell what is the range for 4-bit. Change is 3 here and here to 4. What we get? Minus 2 to the power 4 minus 1 to plus 2 to the power 4 minus 1 minus 1. Now tell me what is the range for 8-bit number. You tell me what is the range for 8-bit number. It is minus 2 to the power 8 minus 1 to plus 2 to the power, what should I write here? 8 minus 1 minus 1. Now tell me what is the range for 16-bit number? It is minus 2 to the power. Here what we have 8 minus 1. Here what we should write 16 minus 1. 2 plus. Here what we have 8 minus 1. So what we write here 16 minus 1. Here what we have minus 1. That minus 1 I write as it is. Now final question is what is the range for n-bit number? Wherever 16 is there, here replace with n, we get minus 2 to the power n minus 1 to plus 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. Therefore now we know range of signed number will be minus 2 to the power n minus 1 to plus 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1 for an n-bit machine. Now if I take 16-bit number, what is 16 minus 1 here? 15 minus 2 to the power 15 is minus 32,768. 2. What is 16 minus 1? 15. 2 to the power 15 is 32,768. Minus 1 means plus 32,767. So for a 16-bit number, minimum number is minus 32,768 and maximum number is plus 32,767. Let us assume our machine supports only 16-bit number. In that case, what is the minimum number? Minus 32,768. What is the maximum number? Plus 32,767. Okay, now we know what is the range of a signed integer. Now tell me what is the range of signed integer with respect to 16-bit number. Least number is minus 32,768 plus 1 means minus 32,767 plus 1 is minus 32,766 and so on. It goes up to plus 0, plus 1, plus 2 and so on. It goes up to plus 32,766 plus 1 is how much? Plus 32,767. So minimum number is minus 32,768 and maximum number is plus 32,767. But remember, this is only for 16-bit number. Now my question is, if I say plus 32,767 plus 1, we have seen earlier slide, if I add 1 to this, it should become the least number. What is the least number here? Minus 32,768. So plus 32,767 plus 1 is minus 32,768 plus 32,767 plus 2 is how much? Minus 32,767. Similarly, for this plus 32,767, if I add plus 3, I should get minus 32,766 and so on. Now we know what is the range of signed integer. Now tell me what is the outcome of this video. Point number 1 is we know what is the range for an unsigned integer. We have seen it is 0 to how much? 65,535 in a 16-bit machine. Instead of 65,535, in general, what we can write? 2 to the power n minus 1. Point number 2 is we know what is the range for a signed integer. In a 16-bit machine, what is the minimum number? Minus 32,768 to what is the maximum number? Plus 32,767. In general, for an n-bit machine, this number can be written as minus 2 to the power n minus 1 to this number can be written as plus 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1.